I'm about.
So today is.
So can I?
Fuck, no.
Oh,
Not yet. Today is August 14th, Thursday, 2025. Me and Deegan are here. I'm Yash, and we are trying to take apart a fan. Cause this standing fan, this was a whole one thing. Wasn't working, so we took it apart. Now we don't know how to fix anything at all. Cause we are screwed people.
Yeah. Let's go.
So, yeah, I think we should just go live at this point.
Go live.
Yeah. Not alive, live. Nobody's gonna watch it, but yeah. So, what you trying to do, Deegan? Oh, shit.
Taking this apart. Seeing if we gotta take this apart. I don't know. Get out! Do I need to keep spinning you? You spin me right now, baby. Oh yeah.
You spin my head right.
Shut up.
Right.
I literally did not ask.
So now we're doing this. Oh, kind of.
I'm taking this out.
No, why?
Cause why not?
Let's try.
We already can't fix.
Wait. Show me this.
Hey, it's connected to wires. Be careful. God damn.
Oh!
Oh damn.
Record.
That's
Record!
well.
If one of us is working, the other one records. Oh shit.
He ripped it open while I did everything else.
You did this!
Yes, I removed that and
With screws! I took the main power. Okay. Well, we both did.
I hope you electrocute yourself. Oh wait, no, it's not even plugged.
Do not plug it. Not in action.
How?
Do not unplug any of those. Good job!
Oh yeah, let's make a gun. When it turns on, that instead of propelling it, it can hold it and shoot off air.
I think there's some problem in the
I think
wires.
we're idiots.
I think there's some problem in here.
I think you have some problem.
Take out that plug with the charger in.
This?
Yeah. No, the whole thing. Oh, that's it.
Plug what? This?
Yeah. I'm just taking a big risk at this point. Oh shit, we might just fuck. Okay. So the motor is working. Why is the power not coming here? That's the problem.
Okay.
Stop. How about Deegan? We break these wires, cut them, and plug something else. What are you trying to do?
Look, there's a light right there.
Yeah, the light. More like a spark than light. Yeah, that's a spark.
So let's probably not mess with that if it's smoking when we turn it on.
Yes, and then plug it off. Okay, don't rip stuff! Okay, Deegan.
2,000 years later.
Got that part out of me hitting the.
Your phone just slide away. Okay, record me.
It is recording you.
No, it's not. So you can talk, but record me. I record you all the time.
Well. Well, this dude becomes a mechanic. Y'all gonna follow me over here. Come over here to this Coca-Cola. Open the Coca-Cola. Just like that. And then pour the Coca-Cola Like how Nah.
Deacon,
Look at that fizzle. Where's your cup?
how about we take a light and because these wires are working. Deacon. Yep, it is working. Thank you, sir. How about, because this wiring is working, how about we do some electrical stuff?
Like?
Take these wires, plug it in like a light, so it'll look like the light is going. Because usually when you do stuff like that, you need batteries for that, and that takes money because people don't know how to do this stuff. Now we have already this stuff, so we don't have to do all that, and we don't have to use the money on batteries.
So you want to make a homemade light?
Yeah, that can work. Like, you know how plus, minus, boom,
This one doesn't work. And this one doesn't work either.
because they are for different uses. Zoom in, zoom out, normal focus, high focus.
Then why do you have 4 cameras?
I have 3. The other one's the torch.
Light?
Flashlight.
Oh, this is on my phone, not his phone.
Why are you talking to? My phone is there, recording.
I'm recording.
Show? How are you gonna send it to me? Exactly. Ah!
He hurt himself, guys.
Shit, it's grease, not blood.
That's better.
Yeah.
Look at this grown-ass man weeping on the ground like a little b****.
We can't take the screw out.
Why?
Because they're just... I don't know how, but I'm like trying, but they're not.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so we have a new thing. The video might be clearer or something. Okay, Dean, go! No!
I might not jump.
It's on you. Okay, let's go.
Wait, can you? Is it that tall? Touch my foot. Oh. It looks higher than it actually is.
Yeah. You have done it earlier.
I did?
Yeah.
Well, that's hate it.
You did it when it was snow, I remember. Okay, let's go, Deegan. Okay, people are actually staring at us. We need to show this. That guy just stared at us.
Who?
The one in that car over there. Hold this and oh, you got it? Let's show this to Talon, then Dante, and then this is garbage. Can like put it in like your pocket or something.
This is what I was doing walking into your house.
By the way, click a picture of this thing. Okay, so we're just going in this little path. Remove that stick. Holy heck.
Okay, just not. So I jumped down the stairs and it ran. Because I was still at the stairs. I heard someone walking and unlocked the door. And I ran. And as I jumped down the stairs, I heard the door.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you can. My phone.
Damn.
Okay, oh, sorry, Nick.
Hey, look at that! That's an independent cart.
Y'all want to steal it?
No, then we'll be blamed for it. Do not touch it. Just
Ow! Yo, if y'all didn't know, there's a hole. There's a hole. It's this fucking fault.
hey, Dean.
Ow!
That almost went Dante.
It's the fucking fault.
No, you cart.
Cult.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's fuck cult.
But not literally.
Oh, I literally. Hopefully, I'm not showing that problem. And I was talking about fault.
I'm gonna crop all that.
No, just like skip this. Me? Yeah, I know
You
me.
recorded, you fall.
I didn't fall.
Over there.
You just fell.
Okay, let's go.
We can't.
Yeah,
Oh shit, Deegan, sorry.
you want me to go ahead?
No, I'm good.
Oh, you have a bug. Back your neck, on your throat.
Yeah, guys, after we are out of here, we should check for bugs on each other.
That's really bug.
Yeah. No, that's just keep side.
Yeah, we can go.
Let's keep going. I've never been this deep before.
Oh, this is kind of fast.
Oh, it's a fence. We can't go.
I can just walk away.
Oh!
What tree?
Did that just hit you on your balls or something?
What did?
Please don't. I already cut.
Hey, oh shit, you good?
Oh!
Okay, let's go. Why are we going there? There's nothing there, Deegan.
I don't see anything but there is nothing.
God, 9888 for Deegan because he's walking the suicide path.
Have you ever thought about that though?
Who? You?
No.
Have you?
Have you guys thought about what?
Not like, I don't want to die, but like, have you ever thought of death though?
Yeah.
Past death.
Yes.
Like, what do you feel when you're dead?
You see nothing. Like you don't even see darkness. You see nothing. It's like
Your brain doesn't work, so you don't see anything.
Close your eyes, hold your elbow up and try to look out of your elbow.
out of my elbow.
Yeah. Nothing. Nothing.
No shit, Charlie.
That's what blindness is like. So you put
No, you see whiteness. When you're blind, you see only white. Yeah, look.
where the f are we?
Just go up there.
Well, I mean, like, I know what we are, but like,
Yeah,
I know I am. But look, that's where we hid. Guys, at this point, the kids over there, if there is any kids, they want fake creepers. Coming on.
oh yeah, come here, kids! Come here!
One eternity later.
So, who's gonna record now?
Me.
Hold the phone like this and keep it still. And don't cover the camera with your hand. Move it over.
Oh,
I want to go to the pause.
no. I need to go. Okay, never mind. Yeah, sure. Oh, look.
Is this one not ready yet?
Just throw it at him. Come on. Gosh, Deegan, walking from our bushes.
Might have been in there.
It's too big to fit in that place.
Call him.
Deegan!
No, like. Call.
Deegan!
One eternity later.
So, guys, today we're back on Dante's channel. It's definitely my channel. And today we're going to be showing around the whole pond.
Don't break it and don't go around. Hey, don't go around.
Go around, okay?
Don't go around, Dante.
So we got water right here. Whole bunch of flowers. Yeah, there's some man shit. I'm better, guys. I'm better. I'm better. Oh, whoopsie daisy. I ruined the camera on accident. We are back with the double digits with him and him. He's the triple digits because he's 4 digits weight.
Stop.
What about me?
You are
Handsome.
5th digits weight. I'm triple digits. Cause I'm better. Say shit, I found glasses.
Okay, keep them back where you got them, bro.
I found them on the floor, they're broken.
Still, yeah, keep them back. Let someone like who lost them.
Oh, whoever, nah, bro, whoever lost them must be so weird about them. No lens inside of it, it's freaking broken.
We were laughing, guys.
Hey, what? Throw the basket in the water.
Yum. I know I suck, okay, Mike? Be quiet.
Yeah.
What's up? The camera quality is somehow really good today.
Yo, guess what, yeah?
What?
You didn't guess what?
Oh!
What's up there?
So, yeah, pretty much. I don't know how Dante recorded it. I only see how someone recorded or I recorded when we were editing. Without that. You want some push, Dante? Dante, you want some push?
I can't.